Hey there, I have two broken hood latches and my plan is to graft parts from this one and graft them onto this one to make one whole working hood latch. Let's see if I can get that done. Alrighty, I did all of that cutting just to get this little piece, and I only had to go through 3 discs to get it done. Next step is to graft this little piece onto this side right here. Now that I've gotten this new tab on there with some super glue, I'm going to fill in the gaps with some epoxy to add some strength to it as well. Alrighty, let's get started. I've got a nice layer of epoxy in there, and while that's hardening, I'm going to give this piece a little bit of a polish. Alright, let's get moving. Alright, now that I've given this piece long enough to harden, I'm going to go ahead and install it in the van and see how I did. Alright, let's get moving. Alright, it's ready to be used. All I have to do is grab onto it, pull the little tab, and there you are. Hood's open, and it's a little easier to get into it. Alright, thank you for watching. Y'all have a good one. Remember to like and subscribe and share with all your friends. Alright, take care.